In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Gmail. If you've ever checked your email on a shared or public computer, signing out when you're finished is one of the simplest ways to protect your privacy. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you aren't already there, type mail.google.com into the address bar and sign in as you normally would. Once your inbox loads, you're in the right place. Don't worry about which tab or label you're viewing. Everything we need is available from any screen inside Gmail. Next, move your attention to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see your Google profile. This is either your photo, if you've set one, or a colored circle with your initial. Click that profile icon. A small panel will open, showing details like your account name and email address, along with links to manage your account. If you use more than one Google account in the same browser, you'll also see the other accounts listed here. That's normal and exactly where we want to be. Now, in that same panel, scroll if needed and look for the Sign Out option. Depending on how many accounts you're signed into in this browser, you'll see either Sign Out or Sign Out of all accounts. If you only have one account active, clicking Sign Out will log you out of Gmail for that account. If you have multiple accounts signed in, Google will show Sign Out of all accounts. Clicking that will log you out of every Google account currently active in this browser. This is expected behavior and is the safest choice if you're on a shared device or you're unsure which accounts are open. After you click the Sign Out option, Gmail will return you to the Google Sign In page. That's your confirmation that the sign out worked. If you reload Gmail and it asks you to sign in again, you're fully signed out. As a good habit, especially on public or work computers, close the browser tab or window when you're done. If you used a private or incognito window, simply closing it will also clear the session. A quick tip: if you were using multiple accounts and only wanted to remain signed into one, Google requires you to sign out first and then sign back in with just the account you want to keep active. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently sign out of Gmail and keep your information secure wherever you check your email.